Shows that the virus has killed 5 million people worldwide.
WDHN's Alex Valdez spoke with Dr. Don Williamson. He's the president of the Alabama Hospital Association about these deaths worldwide and here in Alabama. Dr. Williamson shares why he believes these COVID-related deaths can still be among us.
At the beginning of the pandemic, medical experts were trying to figure out everything they can to save everybody that was battling COVID-19. Now, almost 2 years into the situation, experts say they have the silver bullet to prevent every single death caused by COVID, but some people are just unwilling to get vaccinated. Dr. Don Williamson says you can divide the deaths in the U.S. into 2 groups. Those that occurred before we knew information regarding the virus and the availability of the COVID-19 vaccine, and then the group of people who just won't get vaccinated.
We were blessed in this country to be able to produce vaccines literally in record time, monoclonal antibodies for therapy. I mean, we have all the tools to bring this under control.
According to a study done by Johns Hopkins University, global deaths have surpassed 5 million people. In Alabama, COVID-19, that tragic number has claimed 15,573 lives. And in Houston County, 412 deaths are attributed to the virus.
We could make it the disease that, okay, you see it occasionally. We have 100 cases a day. We have 50 people in the hospital. We could do that in Alabama.
Medical experts agree the ideal situation is to eliminate coronavirus, but their new goal is just getting the disease to a place where it stops killing.
The answer is far too many Americans have died, and we need to do something to make those deaths stop.
Once again, Dr. Williamson tells me at this point, every single one of these COVID-related deaths could be 100% preventable. He encourages everyone to go out and get vaccinated so that these preventable deaths can stop occurring. In Dothan, Alex Valdez, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.